Did you know that collagen is the most abundant protein in your body? Crazy, right? Many believe it provides the structural foundation for pretty much everything. You see, we were born as collagen-making machines, and this allowed us to grow quickly. But science claims that as our body ages, we produce less and less. This can contribute to joint pain, wrinkles, low energy, and weight gain. All of us at Common Sense Wellness Worldwide believe you deserve to feel young all the time. So that's why we dove in and got to work. We started by searching for pure and proven sources of collagen. Turns out that grass-fed bovine and free-range poultry collagen appear to be the closest match to human collagen, so we focused on those sources. Our collagen peptides are enhanced through a proprietary absorption technology that's intended to help peptides be quickly absorbed and work from the inside. And since the launch of CS Collagen Plus in 2022, we've continued to improve on our formula. It's packed with clinically supported nutrients like hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, biotin, vitamin C, vitamin D3, vitamin B6, and more. These are intended to work in synergistic harmony to support anti-aging, lean muscle mass, weight management, reduced inflammation, healthy joints, hair, skin, and nails. Not to mention it's sweetened with all-natural stevia leaf and monk fruit extract. With all these nutrients and antioxidants in your body, you may not be able to hide a more youthful you. Now that's real wellness from the inside out. Your friends may ask, what's the secret? That's when you can introduce them to CS Collagen Plus. Add a bottle to your Common Sense Wellness Worldwide routine by getting back to the person who sent you this video.